This demonstration is meant to teach survival strategies, techniques that could one day help you stay alive if you ever find yourself stranded deep within the forest with no food or shelter in sight. Use these lessons wisely and responsibly. Our goal is not to harm nature, but to understand it and learn how to live alongside it. If you enjoy learning these wilderness survival techniques, make sure to subscribe and stay with us for more practical field lessons and real-life experiences. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay safe, and respect the wild.